Chicken and cabbage, but make it taste like it came straight out of Ate's Love Kitchen. This is healthy, hearty, and so simple. You'll want to cook it every week. Let's get into it. Hey foodies, it's Chef Ate here, a Filipino wife who loves to feed her husband. And today, we're making simple yet flavor-packed dish, chicken cabbage stir fry. Trust me, even if you don't like cabbage, this recipe will change your mind. Okay, here's what you'll need. 1 pound chicken breast, half medium-sized onion diced, 2 cloves garlic minced, shredded half-head cabbage, 1 cup chopped carrots, 1/4 cup cocoa aminos, 1/4 cup water, 2 tablespoon tomato paste, 3 tablespoon olive oil, and of course, our seasoning friends. Half teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste. That's it! Pantry staples, healthy, and budget-friendly. First, let's prepare our chicken. I'm cutting the chicken breast into small bite-sized pieces. Not too tiny, just enough so they cook quickly and evenly. Then, season them generously with salt, onion powder, and garlic powder, which I already mixed together. Give it a good toss so every piece is coated with flavor. This is the base of our flavor. Don't be shy here. Bland chicken has no place in my kitchen. Heat up 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Once it's hot and ready, put the chicken in. We'll let it cook for about 6 minutes until browned on both sides. This is where the magic begins. So don't rush. Let that golden color happen. Now, we toss in 1 medium diced onion. Give it about 2 minutes to soften. I love this step because the onion brings out sweetness to balance the cabbage later. Next, 2 cloves of garlic, minced finely. We saute that for just 30 minutes until it's fragrant. You don't want burnt garlic unless you're into bitter breakups. Time for a little depth. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Stir it in until the chicken is coated and the paste gets a chance to caramelize. This adds to the umami richness. Now for our star veggie. Half a head of green cabbage, thinly sliced. Don't be scared of the big pile. It will shrink down as it cooks. Toss it in for a minute or two until it's lightly wilted and coated with flavor. Next, a cup of chopped carrots. This adds sweetness, color, and crunch. Now, let's build the sauce. I'm adding 1/4 cup of cocoa aminos and 1/4 cup of water. Then season with paprika, a little of salt, and pepper to taste. Stir it all together, bring it to a simmer, then lower the heat and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Stir every now and then until most of the liquid evaporates and everything's perfectly tender. Look at the chicken and cabbage, glistening, flavorful, and ready to eat. Here are some of the most common questions I see about this dish. Can I use chicken thighs instead of chicken breast? Yes. Thighs are actually juicier and more flavorful. They'll make the dish richer, but just note, they can release more oil, so you may want to reduce the olive oil slightly. What can I use instead of cocoa aminos? Great question! If you don't have cocoa aminos, you can use low-sodium chicken broth. Cocoa aminos just give a slightly sweeter, less salty flavor, which I love for balance. Is this meal prep friendly? Kind of. This keeps really well in the fridge for up to 3 days. The flavors even get deeper the next day. Just store it in a sealed container and reheat gently so the cabbage doesn't overcook. Can I make it vegetarian or vegan? Yes. Just skip the chicken and load it up with mushroom or tofu. Same seasonings, same method. It's super versatile. What do I serve this with? Honestly, it's a one-pan meal. But you can serve it over rice, noodles, or even mashed potatoes. If you made it this far, thank you, foodies! Click like, comment, and subscribe for more easy dishes made with love. And if you're in the mood for another treat, watch next!